Hello Aquarius and welcome to my channel The Healing Goddess. Today's reading is about June 2020 predictions exclusively for you. I'm really excited, so let's start. We'll start with your tarot cards first and then we'll go on to your oracle cards. Your cards are the Emperor upright, King of Wands reverse, Two of Swords upright and Queen of Wands reverse. So from these cards I come to know that you are rebuilding yourself and your self-esteem and self-respect in the month of June. Maybe you lack the confidence right now, but you are building it up. You are working on it. And this is a result of a few past incidences where people could have mistreated you or not given you enough power, or somehow there was a lack of power that you felt. But now you are finding the direction that you want to go in and you're taking charge of your life. The Two of Swords tells me that there is a decision that is impending and that you want to take from a very long time, but you've not been able to take that decision either because there's a critical piece of information that is missing, or you don't have enough knowledge about every aspect regarding that issue, or you could be delaying the decision process because you are avoiding it, and right now maybe you don't feel confident enough to do that, to take that decision, and you feel that by delaying the process, by taking the decision at a later stage, at a later date, maybe things will become better on their own. But it's not like that. You will eventually have to face this problem and find a solution, so better do it now. And why delay? This card also suggests you to use your intuition. The moon over here represents intuition. By using your intuition, you will get all the answers from within. You'll get all the necessary action steps that you need to take, and your whole decision will be divinely guided. All you have to do is pray and trust your intuition. Ask for the next steps from the universe and your angels, and you will know what to do. As you can see, this lady here has a blindfold on, which means that she is not able to see the whole picture, the bigger picture, and also she is blinded to the consequences or to the things that are around her. She is guarding her heart because she doesn't want to get hurt. She doesn't want to hurt anyone else. That is why this decision is so difficult for her to take or for you to take. But once you do that, you will get your confidence back, which you are working on. The King of Wands reverse tells me that you are a great manager, you are good at delegating tasks, and you are very creative, and people respect you as well. But right now, you are not stepping onto your full potential as a leader. You could be a creative visionary, but right now the need of the hour is to step up as a leader, as someone who directs people, who knows his passion for things. He is very well aware of the rules that he sets, and he communicates the common goal to everyone and delegates tasks to each person so that each person can give their 100% and collectively they can achieve their goal. This card encourages you to come back to your leadership position and also direct everyone. People are looking at you, they are looking up to you, they want directions in life. But if you do not communicate effectively what they have to do, what the task ahead is, and what the collective common vision is, then not everyone can give their best, and you can make anything successful by being a true leader that you already are. So in the month of June, you'll be stepping up in your leadership position that you are naturally good at. The Emperor card confirms the same. It says that you are someone who sets great rules and who gives great advice. You are very wise and have lots of experience. Probably you could be a teacher, coach, mentor, a boss, and you've been very successful. You've set up great ventures, or whatever you have done, you've been great at that. You've achieved a lot and you've proved yourself. There's no need to prove yourself any further. You've already established yourself. Just like the Emperor sits on a solid stone throne, this means that this person is very solid. His foundations are very solid. His decisions are firm and he makes everything happen. He does not wait for any opportunity to come by his side. He goes there. He goes out there and gets that opportunity. He grabs that opportunity. And he can turn anything into success. Because he's so wise, he's intelligent, he's got the experience. He knows how to do the groundwork, he knows everything. He's got all the knowledge about everything. This person says that you are very knowledgeable and you have world knowledge. That is, you are very well aware of the current events and your general knowledge is amazing. And his white beard says that people come to you for advice. They want to use your experience so that it helps them. And you are a benevolent leader. You want the best for everyone. You also educate everyone. You also teach them certain tricks because you also want them to feel powerful in their own skin. So you are that kind of a benevolent leader. And in the month of June, you will be able to take the decision that is impending. You will get your confidence and self-respect back. You will step up as a great leader, and ultimately you will be able to sit on a throne and become an authoritative figure who is well respected and widely appreciated. So let's see what your oracle cards have to say. Adjacent possibilities. So this card says that there could be a lot of opportunities around you, there could be a lot of options in front of you, and probably the decision is related to these opportunities, but you have to think out of the box. You have to use all your expertise and experience to tap onto the opportunities around you. Maybe the problems you're facing are blessings in disguise. Who knows? You just have to think out of the box, think creatively, and I'm sure you'll be able to find a lot of opportunities in the month of June. Just like there are so many doors and windows everywhere at unusual places. Even on the ceiling there is a window which is so unusual. This means that opportunities will come in your life unexpectedly. They will be right in front of you. All you have to do is realize. And you will be able to realize once you get your efficiency back, once you get your self-confidence and leadership skills back, and also when you listen to your intuition, because the universe will guide you. You are not alone. You will get all the clues, you'll get the hints. You just have to realize and pay attention. You could be coming across another source of income, a new creative opportunity, and once you realize the true potential that you have, you will be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. So this card encourages you to have faith. You are on the right path. You are not alone. You are divinely guided. Every step you are taking is meant to be. So do not fear anything. Do not lose hope. Do not give up, because opportunities are right in front of you. All you have to do is realize. You could meditate, you could listen to light music, you can calm yourself, you can go for relaxation techniques, deep breathing, anything which helps you calm down and gain your confidence. It will be a gradual process, but quick enough for you to realize the potentials ahead. The next card is amazing. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. So this card says that everything will fall into balance for you because you are entering a new cycle which is full of love. If you are single, you will definitely meet your soulmate in the month of June. This person will bring an awakening in your life. This person will bring balance into your life, and your relationship with this person will be very balanced and equally empowering. Both of you will contribute equally to the relationship and give equal efforts and put in equal work into the relationship to make it work. If you are already in a relationship or married, your bond with your loved ones and with your partner will become stronger. This is a time of love. So give love to your own self and to the people around you. This card also suggests you to go for partnership. So whatever you do from now on, try to do in partnership. You can collaborate with someone, you can do something creative with your partner, and also you can get angels on your own team. You can act as a team with your angels, where they want the best for you and they will guide you at every step. This card also says that if you've had an argument or a discussion with someone in the past which did not go well, then this person will be ready to talk and clear things out, and you can now discuss whatever issues that were impending with this person. Just don't be selfish and don't show pride in any way. Be down to earth and be yourself, and things will be resolved quickly. The new moon is a time when you set your intentions. So get clear about your intentions, about what you want to achieve in the future, and sow the seeds of your manifestation. If you want, you can write down in bullet points whatever it is that you want to achieve, whatever your goals are as a visionary, and you can see which of these goals are practically possible, in what time can they be achieved, what are your short term goals, what are your long term goals. You can restructure your short term goals to achieve your long term goals, and in the long run this will be very fruitful. So you can begin now and start manifesting your dreams, as it is new moon time in your card. Also, it says Libra. So Libra is a sign of balance, justice, luxury. So whatever you say from now on, just be careful with your words, try to be diplomatic, and try to help others as much as you can. Try to bring balance into your life, and by doing these things, by thinking the best for everyone, by having the best of intentions, you will restore balance in your life. And this cycle of your life, which has recently started, will be very smooth. All your problems will be resolved. You will be able to find much more happiness and balance in your life. Your relationships with others will be smooth, they will bring you much joy, and this new cycle will help you achieve your dreams. Let's see what your last oracle card has to say. Forgiveness heals. It says, Dear God and Archangel Raphael, I am willing to forgive myself and others in exchange for what I really want, that is, peace and health. So, your topmost priority now should be peace and health. Inner peace is what you want right now, which will actually restore balance in your life. This is what you need. You need forgiveness right now. So, forgive yourself for not saying things you could have said. Forgive yourself for things that you said that you should not have said, for things that you did in the past, for things you did not do or could have done. Forgive your situations. Forgive your past. Forgive the people who did not treat you right, who made you feel powerless. Forgive them and let your heart shine the light of love. Because right now, it's time for a new romance. So be your own lover and bring love in the life of everyone. Maybe God wants to work through you to spread love in this world. So help yourself, help God, and help the universe, and achieve ultimate happiness by forgiving people. Surrender your problems to God, and they will be transmuted and healed, and you will be healed in return. Money and success will follow. All you have to do is be kind to everyone and be kind to yourself. Be gentle with yourself. No need to be so harsh and critical of every step in your life. And the month of June will be a very smooth month, not at all a roller coaster ride. And I'm really happy to have given you this message, given you this news, and maybe the universe was working through me to get this message to you. I'm so happy to have done that successfully. I wish the best for you. Keep smiling always. And if you like my reading, please do hit the like button, comment what resonated, share my video with your friends and family, consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get future updates about all my videos. Stay blessed. Thank you so much once again. See you soon again, and bye bye.